Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I'm your host, your host and always in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain. Okay, on to the selected few questions, and all these questions are related to ages, and you know it's been collected during the 8 days span in September of TCS NQT. These age-related question doesn't need any technique. These are not technical, these are not formula based. What we need to do is just read it, try to put it on the year line or the timeline, and then relate it to the given data and find the answer. 1 year ago, this is present. 1 year ago, the ratio of ages of A and B was 3:4. That means 1 year ago, their ages was 3x and 4x. That means the present age should be 3x plus 1 and 4x plus 1. The ratio of the ages after 7 years from now means plus 7 to it. Their ages will be 3x plus 1 plus 7, that is 3x plus 8, and 4x plus 1 plus 7, that is 4x plus 8. The ratio will become 7:9. That means 3x plus 8 by 4x plus 8 is now 7:9. We can solve and find the value of x. 27x plus 8 into 9 is 72 equals 28x plus 8 into 5 is 56. Therefore, x equals 72 minus 56, that is 16. Value of x is 16. Present age is like 49. 16 into 3 plus 1 and 64 plus 1 is 65. Now what is the question? What will be the ratio of A and B after 11 years from now? So after 11 years, it would be 49 plus 11 by 65 plus 11. That is 60 by 76. Or if we divide this by 4, it becomes 15 and 38 is become 19. That means the ratio they are looking out for is 15:19. Answer A fits in. Okay, on to the next one, and basically all sums of ages would be solved if we prepare the timeline perfectly. 5 years ago, so this is present, this is minus 5. 5 years ago, Pramod's age was 5 by 4 times that of Naveen. Now, instead of giving ratios, they have given times. That means denominator goes for Naveen and numerator goes for Pramod. So if Naveen's age 5 years ago was 4x, Pramod's age was 5x. Present age is 5x plus 5 for Pramod and 4x plus 5 for Naveen. 3 years from now, plus 3. Pramod's age would be 5x plus 8 and Naveen's age would be 4x plus 8. Now it is given that age of Pramod will be 9 by 8 times of Naveen. That means their ratio will be 9:8. Great. Here, without even solving also, we can try and solve. Since these two numbers are same, here the difference is x, here the difference is 1. Perfect. That way also, quickly we can solve. 5x into 8, 40x plus 64 equals 36x plus 8 into 9 is 72. 40, 36 is 4x. 72 minus 64. 8 into 8 into 8 into 9. That is equals to 8. That means x is equals to 2. What is the present age of Pramod? Present age of Pramod is 5x plus 5 and x is equals to 2. 10 plus 5, 15 years. Option A is the fit. A problem on ages, use the timeline or frame equations. Let's see what we can do here. Ranjit's present age is half of his brother Manjeet's age after 10 years. Present, we have 10 years also. After 5 years, the ratio of the ages of Manjeet and Ranjit will be 7:5. Okay, so let's begin with 5 years. Manjeet and Ranjit. After 5 years, the ratio of Manjeet and Ranjit is 7:5. Manjeet age is 7x and Ranjit's age is 5x. Present age is 7x minus 5 and 5x minus 5. After 5 years, age would be 7x plus 5 and 5x plus 5. Now, Ranjit's present age, that is 5x minus 5, is half of his brother Manjeet's age after 10 years, that is 7x plus 5. That means twice of this equals 7x plus 5. 10x minus 10 equals 7x plus 5. 3x is 15. Value of x is 5. Now the question is, find Ranjit age 2 years ago. That means at minus 2. Ranjit age would be 7x minus 5 minus 2, that is 7x minus 7. 5x minus 7, sorry. So we are looking out for the value of 5x minus 7. That is 5 into 5 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is 18 years. So Ranjit age 2 years ago would be 18 years. Option A is the pick. Okay, on to the next one. Ratio of ages of Akhil and his father. So we have Akhil and his father 3 years ago. Let it be present. 3 years ago was 5:13. So this was 5x and 13x. Present age would be 5x plus 3 and 13x plus 3. After 6 years, at timeline 6, the ratio of ages of Akhil and his mother. So mother also comes into picture. Akhil and his mother is 4:7. Okay, so if we make it 4y and 7y, then first equation we can get is that Akhil age after 6 years should be 5x plus 9, which is equals to 4y. And the sum of present age of his father and mother, present age of mother would be 7y minus 6. The sum of these two is equals to 78. That means 13x plus 7y equals 78 plus 6 minus 3, that is 81. So let me multiply this by 7. 35x minus 28y equals minus 63, and multiply this by 4. 52x plus 28y equals 324. So if I add up, I'll get 87x equals 324 minus 63 will give 261. And now into 3. So value of x is 3. What is the question? What is the present age of Akhil? Present age of Akhil is 5x plus 3. So present age of Akhil is 5x plus 3. That is 5 into 3 is 15 plus 3, 18 years. Option D is the pick. Okay, another question on the screen. The ages of Tom and Jerry are in the ratio 1:6. Ages of Mary and Jerry, let me write this as Jerry and Mary, is 3:4. That means we can write this as 4:3. And ratio of Suzanne and Jerry. Okay, so we have Suzanne and Jerry is 1:4. What is the ratio of the ages of the four in the increasing order? We need to find the joint ratio. To dwell deeper into the concept of joint ratio, please go through the masterclass of ratio, proportion and variation along with rule 5. That is rule 5. Link is there in the description. So please watch it, and let's first try to set this up. We have Suzanne, Jerry. Jerry is always there, and ratio should be maintained with Jerry. Tom, Jerry, Jerry, Mary, Mary and Suzanne is not there. So we can combine these three first. Here Jerry is common. So we will have M, J, S. M and J is 3, 4 and J and S is 4, 1. And these two is same. That means M, J, S is 3 is to 4 is to 1. Now we have T and J, where J is 6 and here J is 4. So I can multiply this by 2 and I can multiply this by 3. So it will become 9, 12, 3 and this will become 2 is to 12. So now we have Tom with 2 parts, Jerry with 12, Mary with 9 and Suzanne with 3. Question is, what is the ratio of the ages in the increasing order? So it would be 2, 3, 9, 12. That is the ratio of all 4 in the increasing order. 2, 3, 9, 12. Option A is the fit. Okay, the next one. The ratio of present ages of A and B is 9 is to 11. That means A is 9x. Let present age of B is 11x. Also B is 5 by 33 years elder to A. That means simply 11x minus 9x is 5 by 33. 33 into 5 is 165 plus 5 170 by 33. That means x equals 170 by 33. This is 2x into half. That is 85. So common ratio is 85 by 33. What is the present age of person A? Present age of person A would be 9 into 85 by 33, 311, 33, 240, 255 by 11. So it will go 2 times 22 and then 35. That will go 3 times. 23 2 by 11. 23 2 by 11 featured in option D. Okay, the next one. At present, A is younger than B by 12 years. That means A age is B minus 12. Younger, na? His age would be less than B. 6 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 2x and 3x. So A, B at minus 6 where 2x and 3x, present age should be 2x plus 6 and 3x plus 6. And it is given that present age of A is 2x plus 6, which is 3x plus 6 minus 12. That means x minus 6 equals 6. X is equals to 12. Present age 6 years ago, present age is 24 plus 6. That is 30. And 3 into 12 is 36 plus 6. That would be 42. Done. Now what is the question? After 6 years from now, A would be 36 and B would be 48. What will be the ratio of A is to B? A is to B ratio after 6 years would be 36 is to 48. If we divide this by 12, it would be 3 is to 4. And yes, that we have in option D. One year ago, the ratio of ages of Raj and Priya was 13 is to 11. 1 year ago, Raj, Priya, 13x, 11x. Present age should be 13x plus 1 and 11x plus 1. 4 years ago, okay, the ratio of ages of Priya and Aman. So we are going, let me go -4, write -4 here. Priya's age 4 years ago, Priya and Aman is 19:17. That means 19y and 17y. And according to this setup, 19y should be equals to 11x plus 1 minus 4. That is 11x minus 3. So 11x minus 19y is equals to 3. If Raj is 6 years older than Aman, so currently Raj is 6 years older than Aman, that means Aman age, present age should be, Raj is older. So Raj minus 6, older than Aman. So Aman would be younger than Raj, na? So 3x minus 5. 3x plus 1 minus 6 is 3x minus 5. Raj is 6 years older than Aman. And plus minus 4, 3x minus 9, 4 years ago, this should be equals to 17y. So we have 13x minus 17y is equals to 9. We have these two equations. Find the age of Priya 10 years hence. We are looking out for this plus 10. That means we need the value of 11x plus 11. We need the value of x. Okay, we need to solve these two equations. (17 into 11). Let me use my on-screen calculator quickly. 17 into 11, 187x minus 17 into 19, 323y equals 17 into 351. Let me multiply this by 19. 13, 19 is 247x minus 19 into 17, 323y equals 19 into 9. Yes, 171. So if we subtract 247 minus 187, 0, 60, 60x equals 120. So value of x is 2. So age of Priya after 10 years would be 11 into 2 plus 11, that is 33 years. Option A is the pick. Mahendra's present age is twice that of Bhalla's age. M is equals to twice of Bhalla's age 4 years ago. That is b minus 4. So we have m equals 2b minus 8, or m minus 2b equals to minus 8. 8 years hence Mahendra would be m plus 8, twice as old as Bhalla today, and today's age of Bhalla is b. That means m plus 8 is equals to 2b. So this equation also says that m minus 2b is equals to minus 8. Now both the information are giving us the same set of equations. So with the same set of equation, one equation, two variable, we can't find the exact value of m and b. That's quite not feasible. To find the present sum of their present ages, we need m plus b. And these two equations is not going to help us. If I add them also, you'll get 2m minus 4b, not m plus b. So, cannot be determined. The ratio of ages of Naresh and Mahesh, we have Naresh and Mahesh, is 6 is to x. 6y, xy. Present. After 5 years, there should be 6y plus 5 and xy plus 5. Mahesh will be as old as Naresh today. Okay, Mahesh would be xy plus 5, which is equals to as old as Naresh today, that is 6y. That means y common x minus 6 equals minus 5. Value of y is 5 upon 6 minus x. What is the present age of Mahesh if Naresh will be 35 years old after 5 years? Wow, wow. That means 6y plus 5 is equals to 35 given, 30. Value of y is 5. We need the present age of Mahesh. Present age of Mahesh is x into y. We have got the value of y. So 5 into 6, 30 minus 5x is 5. 25 is 5x. X is equals to 5. So present age of Mahesh is 5 into 5. That is 25 years. We would have read the question fully because the last line, if you had started with the last line, we did not need x and y so many calculation. But it's okay, fine. We have still done under time. Option A fits in. Okay, the next one on the screen is the ratio of ages of Sid to his daughter is 9:4. That means Sid age is 9x, his daughter is 4x. Present. X years ago, the sum of their ages added up to 44. That means 9x minus capital X plus 4x. Let me make this y or it would be confusing. 4y minus x. Both x years ago would be less by x years. This total is equals to 44. That means 13y minus 2x is equals to 44. While the ratio of their ages was 8:3. That means 9y minus x upon 4y minus x is equals to 8/3. 27y minus 3x equals 32y minus 8x. If I take 8x here, 5x equals 5y. Bingo. X is equals to y. Find the value of x. 13x minus 2x is 11x, which is equals to 44. Value of x is 4. Option A is the fit. Okay. So Sagunka, the 11th one on, no, this is the 12th one on the screen. The ratio of present ages of Premshila and her son. Premshila's son, present age is 5x and x if we take common ratio x. Premshila's husband is 5 years older than her. Then husband age would be 5x plus 5, present age. 3 year hence, 5x plus 3, x plus 3, 5x plus 8. The age of her son will be 9 years. This is 9. That means value of x is 6. Then find the age of Premshila husband after 5 years. Good. So x is equals to 6. Present age of her husband is 5 into 6, 30 plus 5. That is 35 years. That means after 5 years, her husband age would be 40 years. Option A is the pick. Okay, the last one for this session. I hope that you have enjoyed different types of questions of ages. All questions are pretty simple. Either you make a timeline or you frame equations, solve it like a simultaneous equation and find the answer, whatever they have asked for. The ratio of present age of Praveen and that of Sudhir, present age, is 6:x. Let it be 6a and xa. After 4 years, the ratio of Sudhir and Tanvir, Sudhir is there, Tanvir is here, is 8:9. So this is 8y and age of Tanvir is 9y. So first equation is xa plus 4 is equals to 8y. The sum of the present ages of all the three. So present age of Tanveer should be 9y minus 4. So these three add up to 84. So we have 6a plus xa plus 9y minus 4 is 84. This is equals to 88. And xa is 8y minus 4. Now what we can observe is we have got three variables, a, we have x, and we have y. Can we try to substitute few value for a? A was the common ratio taken here. So if I take a as 1, suppose, then it would be what? X plus 9y equals 82. And here x plus 4 is equals to 8y. That means 8y minus 4 equals 82 minus 9y. 17y is 86. 86. Y value is coming in fraction. That means value of a doesn't suit in with 1. X plus 4 is 8y. And x plus 9y is 88 minus 6, that is 82. So here x is 8y minus 4, 82 minus 9y. 8 is 16, 17 is 86. 17 into 4 is 68. To 5 is 85. It is coming in fraction. A is not equals to 1. Obviously, three unknowns and we have got only two equations. We are not in the condition to find the exact value of a, x or y. It should be cannot be determined.